Buongiorno paesani, tempo per un'altra parola catalogisa. Yes, today's pajama day. I'm not getting out of my pajamas. I'm feeling a little under the weather. I have a little bit of pain, so I decided to stay in pajamas. Allora, a parola catalogisa. There's a word that is not used as often today as it used to be. The word is spiari. What does it mean to spiare? No, it doesn't mean to spy, but it means to ask. Somebody would tell me, "Va spia Tomasa va nascere," means go ask your mother if she has to go out. In Italian, we say, "Vai a chiedere a tua mamma se devo uscire." That was very old Sicilian that I was taught, but today we kind of modernized it and we say, "Va domani a Tomasa va nascere." But domandare is also considered a word of asking, domanda. Chiedere is in Italian, but in Sicilian, the real old Sicilian, we would say spiari. Va spia Toma sa va nascere. Va spia se ci serve qualche cosa. It means go ask. So that's the word I want to teach you today. Thank you everyone for supporting me, for subscribing to the YouTube channel Italiani di Montreal e Amici. Just a reminder that I also have my own personal Facebook page called, of course, Big Mama Siciliana. You can subscribe to both or one or of the two, it doesn't matter. As long as you follow me, you get to see my videos. A lot of you are asking how come I'm not on Facebook anymore. Well, I am on Facebook, except I don't post my videos on Facebook. I post the link to my videos that will gear you towards YouTube. So that's it for today. If you haven't already gotten your tickets are limited now because places are few. For my first ever comedy show on November 30th at Players Cafe and Bar. So contact Tony Riccio for tickets. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutiamo.